Hi friends, we're going to talk about how to use a card reader to upload your photos in case the USB port on your camera is a little loose or for whatever reason the cord's not working. So on the bottom of your camera, where the battery door is, there's a little latch. You can pop open that latch and you'll see the battery, which by the way, if you need to open or pop out the battery, there's a little gray switch. You can push that to the side, pull out the battery in case you ever need to change it. Just pay attention to what way it goes back in. There's some little curved sides and straight sides, and there's an arrow that shows what way it goes in. But just above the battery is the memory card, that little blue memory card. So you just push gently on that and it should pop out. You can kind of see now it's popped out a little bit. And pull it out carefully. I normally never have people take these out because it's so easy for students to want to shove them in the wrong way or lose them, any number of things. This is a last resort. Once you have the memory card out, talk to me about getting a card reader. I have a couple different kinds. Sometimes they're just like these little USB sticks. Sometimes they're different ones that you plug in. But if I give you one like this or whatever kind you get, there's going to be one size slot that fits your size card. I can see that that's this top one here. I'm going to put it in logo up into that slot, and it should go easily. I should never have to force it. I'm just going to gently press and I'll hear a click. You're not shoving these in. That's a great way to break a card if you shove it somewhere it shouldn't be or the wrong way. So with that inserted, I'm going to take the little cap off and just plug this in like any flash drive. So at this point, the process is the same as what I just showed, but I'll switch my view so I can demo that too. All right, so we just plugged in the USB card reader with our camera's memory card in it. And just like what we do for a cable, you can go to this PC and that'll bring up a File Explorer window. You should be able to see over on the left something that has to do with the camera. Now, when I plugged my camera in, it said EOS Rebel Canon. It was like a camera icon. When I plug in just the SD card, that SD card is labeled EOS Digital, and it's called the D drive, as in D for dog. So I can see that here. The same files or same folders will be there as if you plug the camera straight in. I'm going to click on DCIM. I'm going to click on 100 Canon. And again, there will be my images and I can drag and drop them onto the desktop or drag and drop them over here into my H drive. You just want to, again, make sure that you have a folder for your photos, especially the more photos you take. You don't want to just go dragging and dropping 90 photos on your desktop or your H drive without a folder to contain them. So that's the easiest way to import your photos.